If you think you need to spend thousands to have a full electric 240 volt home brewing system, think again. Today I'm going to show you how I built mine for $500. First, the kettles. A brand new kettle can easily set you back over $400 to $500 alone by itself. So what did we do when we wanted to reduce costs? Found this on Facebook Marketplace for $100. It's a 20-gallon kettle. It was owned by someone who was starting up a cold brew shop, cleaned it really well, and it's been my workhorse ever since. If you think building a brewery this cheap is crazy, hit the subscribe button because what's next is gonna blow your mind. Next, the mash tun. I found that one off eBay for $60. That one's an 11.5 gallon mash tun. Started out with one of those dome lids for your false bottom. Worked great for years. This has been with me since I started brewing. It was one of my first boil kettles that I had. I found this on eBay years ago for about $60. 11.5 gallons, full of stainless steel. I believe it's Concord brand. They still sell them today. So if you're looking for one, you can always find it either on eBay or also check your local Facebook Marketplace. And at the heart of the system is my 240 volt electric temperature controller. So with this, I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. You can really have this tell you as much information about your process. I was looking for simplicity, and I really just wanted to make sure that my mash temp was consistent and I could control the strength of my boil. Now, between eBay and Amazon, I was able to piece together this controller for just under $250, including the PID controller, which keeps a very specific temperature, as well as the buttons, switches, and the lights and the wires I was able to find at my local hardware store. Because in homebrewing, you're dealing with a lot of very hot liquids and we don't want to handle them by ourselves if we don't have to. So I found a pump to be absolutely necessary. I found this one off of Facebook Marketplace for $30. Let's go take a look. Now this has been worth it. Don't leave home without it. But seriously, this pump helps transfer liquids between our mash tun and our kettle, which holds our rinse tube, which holds our heating element. So this transfers liquids between our kettle or mash tun when we're mashing, and then also for when we go to chill. Now let's do a total of the cost of our home brewery. $160 for the kettles, $30 for the pump, $250 for the controller, heating element, and the fittings total another $160 for a total of $500 to put together a whole 2-vessel kettle rim system with precision mash temperature keeping, and also you can control your boil of your kettle and produce repeatable beer. High quality home brew at home. That was the whole point of this system, to make it as inexpensively as possible, but also bringing in a high quality aspect to it. So, hope you enjoyed. What's been the craziest DIY you've done for your home brewery? I'd love to hear it down in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one.